Tracking time and billing accurately on freelance platforms is crucial to ensuring you get paid fairly and that your clients trust your work. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do this efficiently, using tools that help you track time and bill without any confusion. Stick around till the end for a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. First, the most important thing you need is a reliable time tracking tool. Without one, it's easy to lose track of hours or miscalculate time spent on tasks. There are a ton of options out there, but for the sake of simplicity and accuracy, we'll stick to one that integrates with freelance platforms, this software. It's easy to use and helps you track your work automatically. To get started, you want to make sure that you are tracking time only when you're working on the task. Start the timer as soon as you begin working and stop it the moment you're done. Most time tracking tools will automatically pause if your computer goes idle, so you won't accidentally record unnecessary time. This method ensures you're tracking your time in real time and eliminates guesswork later on. Next, categorize your tasks properly. Freelance platforms usually require you to specify what kind of work you're doing, whether it's writing, design, development, etc. This helps both you and your client understand where the time is going. Be precise in labeling your time entries. If you're doing a task like researching or editing, make sure your time entries reflect that detail. This gives transparency and makes it easier when you go to bill your client. Once you've tracked your time, the next step is billing. After you've completed a project or at the end of your work week, it's time to convert your time entries into an invoice. This software we're using today makes it super easy by pulling in your time entries and turning them into a detailed invoice. You'll see all the tasks listed with the exact amount of time spent on each one, and you can send the invoice directly to your client through the platform. Billing accurately also means tracking the rate you've agreed on with the client. If you're on an hourly rate, make sure the total time is correctly multiplied by the rate. If you agreed on a flat rate, ensure you're not overcharging or undercharging based on the time you've tracked. This ensures you stay fair and professional. Now, why does all this matter? You've probably heard stories about freelancers not getting paid for their time or clients disputing invoices. By using a solid time tracking tool, categorizing your tasks, and sending detailed invoices, you eliminate these issues. Clients will appreciate the clarity and you'll feel confident about the time you've worked and the payment you've earned. Key takeaway: always track your time accurately, categorize your tasks, and use tools that integrate well with your platform to bill clients precisely. Accuracy in time tracking and billing is key to building trust and ensuring fair payment. Before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while you can. Happy freelancing, and see you in the next video.